Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I bet one of the most important things in your house is your toilet paper. It is something that we all have to have, and that is something you definitely do not want poor quality on. So I love this Cottonelle toilet paper. This is the Ultra Comfort toilet paper, and I like these because they're a nice big roll so it doesn't run out quickly. It rolls really easily on the toilet paper dispenser. It doesn't get like all stuck. The sheets are really nice and thick and soft and cushiony, which is what you want. And I also love that it is just made with simply renewable fibers and water. So this comes in 4 packages of these 6 rolls. So you get plenty of toilet paper. It's gonna last you a long time. So if you're looking to stock up, then this is a really great option. So if you want a very high quality toilet paper that feels great and lasts a long time, then I would definitely check out this Cottonelle, and that is my point of view.